Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Newton Crypto and how it became rich. But before we dive into that, let's take a step back and talk about cryptocurrency in general. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure its transactions and control the creation of new units. It's a relatively new technology, but it's already had a huge impact on the world. In just a few short years, cryptocurrency has gone from being a niche interest to a mainstream phenomenon. 1. Blog.bbnk.com. Blog.bbnk.com. One of the most popular cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, it has grown in popularity and value. As of today, Bitcoin is worth over $60,000 per coin. There are many other cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin. Some of the most popular include Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique features and benefits. Now that we have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency, let's talk about Newton Crypto. Newton Crypto. Newton Crypto is a Canadian cryptocurrency exchange. It was founded in 2018 by Dustin Walper, Aaron Saunders, and Tyson Leslie. Newton Crypto is a low-cost, easy-to-use platform that allows users to buy and sell over 60 different cryptocurrencies. Newton Crypto has been very successful since its launch. In just a few short years, it has grown to be one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in Canada. As of today, Newton Crypto has over 1 million users and holds over $1 billion in assets. So, how did Newton Crypto become so successful? There are a number of factors that contributed to its growth. One of the most important factors is that Newton Crypto is a low-cost exchange. This means that users can buy and sell cryptocurrencies for less than they would on other exchanges. Another factor that contributed to Newton Crypto's success is its ease of use. The platform is very user-friendly, making it easy for even beginners to get started. Newton Crypto also has a strong team of experienced professionals. The company's founders have extensive experience in the financial industry, and they have built a team of experts who are passionate about cryptocurrency. Finally, Newton Crypto has been very successful in marketing itself to new users. The company has run a number of advertising campaigns that have helped to raise awareness of its brand. How Newton Crypto became rich. So, how did Newton Crypto become so rich? The answer is simple: by providing a valuable service to its users. Newton Crypto has become one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in Canada because it offers a low-cost, easy-to-use platform that allows users to buy and sell over 60 different cryptocurrencies. As more and more people become interested in cryptocurrency, Newton Crypto is likely to continue to grow. This growth will lead to even more profits for the company. In addition to its revenue from fees, Newton Crypto also generates revenue from other sources, such as staking and interest. The future of Newton Crypto. Newton Crypto is a young company with a bright future. The company has a strong team, a proven track record, and a valuable service to offer. As the cryptocurrency market continues to grow, Newton Crypto is likely to continue to be a leader in the space. So, there you have it. That's the story of how Newton Crypto became rich. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. Until next time.